Shalom Alaikum to all the Christians around the globe. This is your brother Christian logician, and today I'm going to talk about Donlad J Trump because we are having elections in America. People around the globe think that, it's election of America, what we have to do with that? But we know whatever happens in America, it influences the whole world because all the strategies and all the geo-economic policies all depends on what America do. Right now, I want to show you the video because of which the whole world is criticizing Donlad J Trump.
I mean, it's a tricky thing. It's dust. It's a little tricky thing. Masks, no masks, everything. You can do all you want, but you still need help from the boss. We need help from the boss. That's what happened. We need help. Right? Yeah, we need help. It's all right to say it. Now, they'll criticize me for that. How dare he say that? How dare he say that? No, I'll say it. I'll say it. I'll say it. Somebody said to me the other day, "You're the most famous person in the world by far." I said, "No, I'm not. No, I'm not." They said, "Yes, you are." I said, "No." They said, "Who's more famous?" I said, "Jesus Christ." I'm not taking any chances. I'm not going to have an argument. Hey, I'm not having any arguments. Jesus Christ. I'm not going to take any chances. I'll give it, I guarantee. And let me look up and I'll say, and it's not even close.
I can understand that Muslims are criticizing him. I can understand the atheists are criticizing him. I can understand the Satanists are condemning him. But I do not understand why Christians are not supporting him. I don't understand what Christians want from him. He has given you the best opportunity. He has given you the freedom of speech which you have not been practicing from the last decade. He has given you the hope. He has given you the best economy. He has given you the best policies, the best tax cuts. He has even given you the Christmas back, which was turned into a holiday, a winter holiday. But again, I don't understand why Christians. And when we ask Christians, they give us a very stupid logic. They say, he is not a Christian. He is not like Christ. Christ doesn't teach the things which he has done in the past. I mean, seriously? When he did claim that he is like Christ? I am not like Christ. No one does. No one is like Christ. Not even the pastors, not even the Benny Hinn, not even the Billy Graham, not even the Pope, not even the bishops. No one in the world can be like Jesus Christ because he is the Lord. He is the Alpha and Omega. He is the Almighty. He is the perfection. He is the perfect. We cannot be like him, but we are struggling to adopt him and try to be like him. We are humans. We cannot be like him, but we have to. We all have past. We all are sinners. So we have to understand that being a human, we have flaws. And so does he. He never claimed to be the best person. We have to support him because the world, all the enemies of Christianity, they are gathering to have a feast on our bones. They have already started in Armenia, the very first country who has recognized Christianity as their official religion. They have started from there. They have started from the roots and they are coming towards you. And in that time, we need people like Donald Trump in offices so that we have a better hope. At least we should support him. If we will not stand behind him and with him, who else will? And mark my words, even if we will not stand with him, God is standing with him. Because in previous elections, he elected him for a reason, and he will make sure that Donald Trump, completed that mission. So please watch this video, pray for him, bless him, and keep praying for his health and his family, for his safety. He is up against an enemy that is very strong and that is united. We are not united. We have to unite so that we can fight that enemy. Thank you so much. This is my message to everyone in the world. Please, if you are Christian, share this message. Share this video of Donald Trump to your friends and family, and please pray for him. And keep your brother Christian logician in your prayers. Thank you so much.